Alright, good afternoon. This is Richie Rich. Today's 12/15/2016, and here's my trade review for today. Alright, so I'll start with, I guess, my results. Here's the results. Got killed in crude, and I killed it in natural gas. So, not a great day. I made 32 bucks. I'm just going to go over the natural gas because I don't have enough time to do both. So, I'll back out. Alright, so I got in early this morning, and here we go. I was in by about 6:15 this morning, and so what I noticed off the overnight, I think I drew this up, yeah. So this was the kind of the overnight to when I got in. I drew this move and then brought it to this most recent swing high and did this, and I was looking for a measured move. For whatever reason, I didn't take this trade. It kind of like a double top there, and it shot straight down to the low. Exactly what it's supposed to do. I just didn't take the trade. I missed it, or whatever. One of these I was getting coffee, but I missed these three trades first thing early in the morning, and I would have been done by 7 o'clock, or 7:15, because this was a good move, and then this clear measured move down, and we found a bottom. But for whatever reason, I didn't take these trades. Sometimes my brain's not working that great early in the morning, and anyway, I like to watch the action for a while before I jump in anyway. But I really should have taken this last one. This one looked too good not to take, and I think I didn't take that one because I was in the getting coffee. One of them I was, I can't remember. Anyway, so the first trade I took was a long off of drew this little trend line off these little tips, and we had already completed a measure move almost to the tick. I think it went one tick below it, so I felt pretty comfortable we were going to make a move to the VWAP, which we did. I just got out early. I got one out for 10 and one for 15. I think. Let me see. It's 6 and whatever, 6 and 10, 16. I thought it was going to be a little trap, so I went ahead and got out, which was good because I didn't want to come, I'd have lost or got out for break even +1, or if I'd have left this stop here, or I'd have got taken out. Of course, I could have kept a big stop and stayed in it to the VWAP, but I had a feeling that's where price was going to go. This is really one you could have taken here, but we were in a pretty good downtrend. This could have been the beginning of leg 2, but it didn't. And then we just kind of chopped around a little bit until the natural gas report came out. I marked this one up. This is a beautiful trade that I didn't take, and the reason I didn't take it was because, of course, the natural gas report. But if you're so bold to take that right off of the EMA, the 34, right there at the VWAP, the pressure's kind of building right there. We've already made a measured move, but that's too close to the report for me because it could have went the other way. Second trade I took today on natural gas was right here. I figured we would test this high off of the report, 5 minutes later, 4 minutes later, whatever it is. And I only got 6 ticks out of it. 2 contracts, one off at 5 and one off +1. It didn't retest that high, and then it turned around. This is a good spot to go short. I didn't. I missed it. I wish I had taken this one or this one. We were in a clear reversal at this point, so I just didn't take it. Just my bad. And then here's another 1, 2, 3. As you can see, it kind of looks similar, kind of like a repeat of 1, 2, 3. That move there. So we got down to the VWAP, and right here you're thinking, right here or right here, if you take these two, you know, the VWAP is your target. On this one, clearly the first target is going to be your swing low. So you're looking to it's a downtrend, you're looking to retest that low or break through it. We broke through it, and your runner would have been good to the VWAP. This is another good one. See how it just, I mean, it's just, you play it off that EMA. I mean, just, it's pretty easy, pretty simple. It's just trading the hard right edge, your mind gets in the way. At least mine does. So my next trade was a great trade. This was a 20 tick winner. And I probably should have taken it back here, but the market was kind to me today and allowed me to take it late. So I was late on this one, but it still paid me 20 ticks on two. Let's see. And we got down here to this pivot, and I figured we were going to go from pivot to pivot, back to pivot. So that's why I took it long here. On this one, I was this is just a bad trade. I was right on the zero line with the MACD. I shouldn't have taken this. That was just a mistake. That's why I didn't mark it. I don't like to highlight my mistakes, but you get to see them in the video. I took a long here. This was a pretty decent trade. I was a little more aggressive with these. It was a 5 tick initial target and then 10 or 11 tick second target. So I won that one. And my premise for this trade was, you know, we kind of was in a range. We broke out of that range. We pulled back, and then we made a new low. And this was a first entry, second entry off those lows. And my mindset was we were going to move back towards this pivot, or at least this balance area. And we did. We just didn't get all the way there. We got to the blue line, and then we kind of formed a shelf right here. And again, I took another long. You know, this after the fact, it's clear to say, oh, this is a shelf. But when I was trading, I was thinking we're going to that pivot right there. I kept wanting to get through there, and you can't make the market do anything. It's going to do whatever it wants to do. So I got this one. I got the first target off at 11. My second target was 20, a 10 and a 20. I take the 11 and the 21 actually to cover commissions. But then my runner stop moved to break even, so +1, so I only got 11 ticks out of that. Then I followed up with a crazy little loss. I don't know why I did that. It was a retarded trade. This was a short. My last trade today was a short, and I saw this big move, and this was just anxiety, I guess, or being anxious, and I was way too early. And I quickly realized that, got out. I should have re-entered right here, but this was after the pit close. It was at 2 o'clock in the afternoon. I could have taken it, and I felt comfortable that I should have taken it, because this was the right place to take it off of the EMA. I just got a little anxious and entered short way too early. It was way too aggressive. So that's it. Again, I don't have enough time to show you crude. It was a bummer day, and I just got turned around and didn't follow my rules. So, but I did on natural gas for the most part, follow my rules, and I had a pretty good day. So, thanks, and hope everybody had a good day, and hope this helps anybody. If it doesn't, at least it's helping me. So if 2 people see this, and it helps one of them, great. If it doesn't help either one of them, it's okay, because it's still helping me. But I hope it helps you out. And if you got any questions, you know, just feel free to comment, message, or email me. I guess you can just send a message on YouTube or whatnot. I'm also on Twitter, Rich Trader, at Richie Rich Trader. But I don't do a whole lot of posting on Twitter, because there's enough morons out there that do that. You know, I'm just trading a little bit here and there every day, trying to scratch a living out of it. Hope y'all are doing well. Thanks. Bye.